Hi friends, welcome to Mohan's PowerPoint tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to make a video on contest winner announcement. Our PowerPoint going to be like this. On click, it will open the envelope and it will reveal the contestant name, runner-up 2. Similarly, on click, it will show the contestant winner name, runner-up 1. And the last one, we will reveal the title winner of the contest name. Okay friends, let's learn how to create this in PowerPoint. Let's insert new slide, blank slide. Let's go to insert shapes. We'll pick up a rectangle. We'll draw a envelope like this, and we'll give different color. Maybe we'll use this color, and the shape outline, no outline. Then we'll insert one more rectangle for the envelope inside to announce the winner's name. Just we'll put into center of the slide. To make center, we'll go to align, align center, align, align middle. We'll change this color maybe to this color and give shape outline, no outline. Now we want to draw the cover backside. Insert shapes. Let's go to basic shapes. We'll take this isosceles triangle and we'll draw like this, and we'll go to align, we'll go to rotate 90 degree, and we'll just align on the corner of the then we'll copy Control D. Again we'll put rotate, flip that horizontal, and we'll just put it like this, and we'll slightly increase the length. Then copy Control D, go to shape format, rotate 90 degree, put it at the bottom of the rectangle, and will reduce like this. Again copy Control D and rotate, flip vertical, and we'll put on the top of the square. Now we have just created the envelope cover. Now again copy the top one, Control D, and rotate, flip vertical, and place it on the top of the slide. Now we have to make the animation for each of the cover. Just to select the top of it, go to format shape and choose the earlier one color which we chosen. This one we chosen. Let's select this color and Control A, and we'll give a border for everything. And if required, we'll change this all the 4 colors to this one, and we'll give a outline color also this one. Let's give the animation for this effect. In Paint, select this one. We have to give the exit animation for this. Let's go to add animation, exit animation, more exit animation. Let's select the option called collapse, and that should happen from the top. So this will open like this, and for this one we have to give entrance animation, more entrance animation. Let's give a stretch, that should happen from the bottom. Let's see how the animation looks like. Go to animation pane, this one, second one, we have to change the option to after previous. Then let's see how it is animating. On click, so it is opening the envelope. Now we need to make a animation. This card has to come out and reveal the contest winner. For that, go back. Now we are unable to see the cover inside. Let's go to Home and go to selection pane. Now we have to select this isosceles triangle. If you look at here, isosceles triangle 7, we have to just click on that I button, it will hide. Now we are able to see the card. So we'll just write the content in the card. Title winner. I just typed it. We'll put a black color and we'll increase the size. Now we have to go to animation pane, insert a motion path animation, click on motion path. By default it will go down. We have to go and change the effect option to up, so it will come up. So this one is coming, so we have to select this one and send to back. Now let's see how this animation is working. Let's go selection pane again and open that I button or show all. Now our animation will be looks like this. Okay, now we can add some background for this title winner. Again, we'll go to isosceles triangle, click on this card, right click, format shape. You can give text or texture fill, go to insert. I have Office 365, there is options available. You can select any of this background and we'll click insert. So this will be adding the background for this card. Let's go and see how it is animating. Before that, we'll go again, we'll change the isosceles triangle to show all. This is our final result of the envelope opening. You can put any background color if required. We can put background color also, format background. We'll put some, if you require some gradient fill, you can use any of the gradient fill color, or we can put a solid black color also. Thank you, friends. Today we learned how to reveal the contest winner using envelope. Please subscribe to my channel if you like the video and click on bell icon to get the new video notification. Thank you and bye.